Hello guys, you're welcome back to Principal Ideas, and thank you very much for clicking on this video. Yes, I really appreciate that effort. Okay, I really appreciate that. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to get a free virtual credit card right now in Ghana. Yes, it is free. You don't have to pay anything. So make sure you stay along with me to the end of this video. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So just head over to Play Store and search for this app called Palm Pay. I know you know this app already, but trust me, don't click off this video because there is a very important step you need to take before you can activate this card. Okay, yes, so make sure you stay along with me to the end of this video. So just open the app after installing it, and it will take you to this page. Just tap on me. Okay, just tap on me, don't apply first, and then you can see sign up button over there. So just tap on sign up. It will take you to this page where you have to enter your credentials. Okay, so make sure you enter everything, your name, your gender, your date of birth, and everything before you enter your number. So after entering your number, just tap on send OTP code. They will send you code, and then just have to verify your number. It will take you to this page. Enter your PIN, okay, a 4-digit PIN. Make sure you write it somewhere so that you don't forget it, okay? Yes. And then after entering, signing up, entering your 4-digit PIN, come back to the home page and tap on apply. Okay, apply. So make sure you tick this small box over here. So tick this box to agree to terms and conditions and tap on apply. Then to prompt you to identify your verification, click on verify and verify your details. Okay, enter your Ghana card details and make sure you fill out these details. Okay, yeah, okay. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the join this small family, okay, to get more important updates. Okay, so thank you very much for doing that. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So let's get back to the video. So after filling my details, verify my identity, I was approved, and then to take you back to this page. So just tap on apply again, enter your pin, boom. Now that you've created a card, stay along with me. Okay, I'll show you how to activate this card. Okay, a very step which is crucial, okay, in this video. So make sure you stay along with me to the end of this video. Don't click the video off. Okay, so just go ahead and then add your mobile money number, okay, so that you can fund this card using your mobile money. Okay, it actually works for MTN, Airtel to Go, and Vodafone. Okay, Glow, I'm sorry. So you can just fund your card using your mobile money number. Okay, so let me just tap on me button over there. So if I tap on the me button, it will take me to this page. If I click on my card, I'll see the card details. I don't have to disclose my card. And guys, make sure you comment down below in the comment section if you really enjoyed this video, and also comment down if you don't understand anything. And I want to know if you're actually watching this video from outside Ghana and want to get a free virtual credit card that works for all African countries too. I'll do a video on that. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thanks, bye.